Alright, take a look at this. This is the 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack in deep metallic midnight blue. And honestly, it looks absolutely mean. Low, wide, aggressive, this thing doesn't just sit on the road, it owns it. Check out that front end. Slim LED headlights, clean grille design, and that modern light signature that it's futuristic, but you can still see the classic Charger attitude right there in the face. From the side, the proportions are perfect. Long hood, muscular shoulders, and those 20-inch black wheels just complete the look. This is modern muscle done right. And then from the back, that full-width LED light BAR.AT night. This thing is instantly recognizable. You see those lights in your mirror, you know exactly what's coming. Hurricane Twin Turbo. Now under the hood, things get interesting. Gone is the old V8, and in comes the twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six. This Hurricane engine is built to deliver serious power, and trust me, it's no ordinary six-cylinder. With all-wheel drive, launches are on another level. No drama, just pure grip and acceleration. It hooks up and goes fast. And it's not just about straight-line speed anymore. Through the corners, this Charger feels planted and confident. Dodge clearly worked on making this more than just a burnout machine. Even on rougher roads, the AWD system keeps everything stable that it's still a muscle car, but now it's one you can actually drive every day, in almost any condition. Switch it into sport mode, and everything sharpens up. Throttle response gets quicker, the gauges change, and suddenly the whole car feels alive. Step inside, and wow, this is a big upgrade. Massive digital displays, clean layout, premium materials. It finally feels as modern as it looks. From the driver's seat, it's all about focus. The digital cluster is clear, the steering feels solid, and you feel completely connected to the road. Cruising through the city at night, the deep metallic midnight blue paint reflects every light around you. It's aggressive, but it's classy too. Those 20-inch wheels and performance brakes aren't just for looks. When you hit the brakes hard, the car stays composed and controlled. But if you need practicality, the four-door sedan keeps the performance while adding everyday usability. Same attitude, more versatility. On the highway, roll into the throttle and the twin turbos respond instantly. The torque comes in strong, and it just keeps pulling. Even in the rain, this Charger feels stable. That AWD system makes a huge difference. Confidence is everything when the roads get slippery. At sunset, silhouetted against the sky, it almost looks like a concept car. This design really bridges the gap between classic and future. The body lines are sharp and sculpted, and in this deep metallic midnight blue, the paint just pops under the light. The tech inside is fully up to date. Wireless connectivity, navigation, customizable displays. That it's muscle with brains now. And while it's not a V8 rumble, the tuned exhaust still delivers a deep, aggressive tone. It sounds modern, but it still sounds tough. When you put it all together, the power, the AWD grip, the design, the tech, this Charger feels like the next evolution of American muscle. It respects its past, but it's clearly built for the future. This isn't the end of muscle, it's the next chapter. And watching it drive off into the horizon, you realize something. Dodge isn't done, not even close. So what do you think? Is the twin-turbo six-pack the future of the Charger name? Or are you still holding out for the V8 days? Let me know in the comments, because one thing's for sure, this new Charger is here to make noise.